In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the TONOR Q9 USB microphone, and I'm going to let you know if this is actually worth your purchase. Now, one of the things I did mess up while I was using this microphone was that I increased the volume gain way too high on the hardware control of this. What I do recommend is keeping this at medium volume, such that when you record your voice, it's going to sound a lot better than when it's maxed out, because I was slipping a lot when I was at max volume. Now what you see here is going to be an unboxing. You're going to get all the necessary accessories to start vlogging or doing voiceovers for your YouTube videos. I really like the fact that they included all the necessary accessories so that you don't have to go out and buy each one individually. So the TONOR Q9 condenser microphone has been a fantastic voiceover kind of podcast type of USB mic that I've been using for quite a while, and I say I really enjoy it. The first thing that I really like about this is that it uses a very cool articulating arm that allows me to put this in any position I want. So when I do voiceovers on the computer, let's say I'm recording onto Adobe Premiere right now, it's just really easy to just kind of get the perfect angle so I can move it up. So I can move it back and forth, move it side to side, and obviously I can articulate this main arm here, so I can just turn these knobs. Another really cool thing that TONOR includes is a shock mount, so that if you're typing on the microphone, let's say I'm trying to, so this is a type test. I'm actually going to be talking into the microphone as I'm typing, and all the vibrations on my desk through the articulating arm onto this has been fully absorbed because it's actually using a really cool shock mount, so it prevents any vibrations. So if I move the table or make any sudden noises, it's not going to distract my audience. So I really like this microphone for all the accessories they include. They have the pop filter, you have everything you need to go. You don't have to go out and buy all these little separate items. You can just all have it in one big kit. And the setup for this was really easy. I was able to install this onto my desk within a matter of 1 minute. It was super simple. You don't even need any instructions. Now, in terms of the sound quality, I'm actually recording this entire video review through the TONOR mic, and I just want to let you guys decide whether the sound quality is pretty good. For the price, I think it's actually a really good USB microphone, and I think it competes with some of the Blue Yeti Nanos that are out there. So one thing to note when you're using this microphone is that you want to speak right directly towards the blue light. Now, you don't want to speak to it on the side or on the top. The actual microphone is actually embedded here, so you get to speak to it like this, and you can obviously put on your pop filter and use this. One of my favorite features about this microphone particularly is that it has buttons to change the gain. So you're allowed to change the input volume. You can decrease it or you can increase it. Now, one thing I really hate about microphones is that when they include a light and I have it plugged in my computer, and let's say I'm trying to go to sleep and there's just this like flashing light on the actual microphone. What's really nice is that you can actually just mute the microphone, which actually disables the entire light. So I just long press. Now this attention to detail, allowing the user to actually disable the microphone and mute it and have the light turned off, I think is really nice, because sometimes I sleep in the same room as my computer and the light is so bright and it just really annoys me. So this is very nice. I can have it plugged into my computer all the time and not have to worry whether it's recording me or if that light is really bright. Okay, so right now we're going to be testing the volume function on the TONOR mic. This actually has two hardware buttons, plus and minus. And right now, I'm not sure what volume I'm at right now, but let's increase the volume to max. And I'm going to be continually talking to the microphone, and I'm just going to keep pressing the plus button right now. Okay, now I'm going to switch to the minus button. And as I am talking, I am trying to maintain my speech, and I'm just trying to keep talking, and you guys can hear me talk. And yeah, so this is really cool. This is very convenient. You have hardware buttons to control the volume gain on this type of microphone. Okay, so right now I'm going to test the off-axis angle in which I speak into the microphone. We're going to see how it reacts to it as I speak right behind it, and I'm just speaking behind it, and now I'm coming back to the main microphone. This is where the actual capsules are to actually record the volume. So you want to speak like this. You don't want to speak kind of like right into here like a microphone. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it around, and I am just speaking like this, and I'm completely around, and then I'm going to go from the complete back. Now I'm on the back side of the microphone, and you may not hear it properly. And let's tighten that up. And now I'm just speaking normally into the microphone. This is how you should be talking. If you don't want to use the windscreen, you can remove it and then just use this. This pop filter is actually to prevent any plosives as you speak into the mic. So if you say things that start with, like, say, a P, like pizza, you have that kind of explosive sound for your mouth. This pop filter is here to block that from happening. So if I say, give me pizza pronto, you're not going to hear the burst of air coming into the microphone, causing a loud burst of kind of volume, which kind of is very distracting to your users. So this is very good for podcasting and doing voiceovers.